Okay. I don't know if I can get back far enough to get the right shot. Give you guys an idea of what we're having to dig out of. That's where they've buried our driveway with plowed snow. And you can see what Aiden's dug out so far. Some of this over here where the snow's falling off the neighbor's roof, hanging. I'll shoot some more later. Alright, so we're done digging. As you can tell, nobody is going to use the front door at Casa Lawrence for about, probably a month and a half. Because this side of my house gets no sun during the wintertime. You can see where we've dug and dug. All of the snow that was in my driveway is along the side of my driveway, and in that mound, and in this big mound here. Alright, neighbors are out digging, and there we go. I'm going to walk out to US 15 out here, which is the 4-lane highway that my street connects to, and shoot some video out there, see what it looks like. Alright, so talk to you in a few minutes. Here's one of the things that I always worry about when we get these storms: the snow that hangs off the roof. Can you look at that? Can you believe that? Look at those icicles. Come out and slam your door and you get clunked in the head. Wouldn't that be wonderful? Alright, so here we are. This is Market Ridge Boulevard. This is a 4-lane road, a 4-lane divided highway that enters into my neighborhood. For those of you that haven't been here before, you can see where they've begun piling snow in the medians. There are no snow plows or anybody here right now. Looks like somebody did some work in the middle of the night after it had stopped snowing, because there's bare pavement in places. If they would get out here and spread some calcium citrate, a lot of this would melt with the sun shining on it. Alright, so that's back into my neighborhood. You can see a truck stopped there at that intersection. One of my neighbors has blown all the snow from their driveway into the road at that point, so it's kind of impassable until a snowplow comes through and removes it. Okay, moving on. So we have one abandoned vehicle in the inbound side. Alright, I'm about halfway out to the highway. One abandoned vehicle here. Another abandoned vehicle completely blocking the outbound lanes over here. Wonderful. Okay. This is a 4-lane highway. 4-lane divided highway. You can tell there's no traffic today. Mainly because everybody out here lives in a subdivision, and they all look like that. Getting in and out of these places is going to be a pain. So until we get plowed out, not too many people are going to go anywhere. Fortunately, it looks like a lot of the road clearing junk that they put on the highways is leaking down into our subdivision. So one brave soul out and about. Normally on a Sunday, this highway is bumper to bumper traffic, just about, people coming and going. And there's our funky little sign that tells you where I live. In the Villages of Piedmont. Woohoo. Alright. I'm back at my house. That's my my neighbor's car there. Totally drifted in. Totally buried in her driveway. She hasn't dug herself out yet. Her and her husband live there.